In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Contact Us form to Canva website. By the end, you'll have a working contact form that visitors can use without leaving your site, and you won't need any complex code to make it happen. First, create your Contact Us form using JotForm or Google Forms. Either platform works well, so choose the one you're comfortable with. Keep the form simple and friendly, include fields for name, email, and message, and mark the essentials as required so you get complete submissions. If your form builder offers basic styling, keep it clean and legible to match your site's look. Short and clear forms tend to get the best response rates. Once your form is ready, open it in your form platform. We'll make it accessible to your website visitors so they can submit without signing in. Find the sharing controls, then go to the section labeled General Access. Change the permission to anyone with the link so people can fill out the form. Be sure you're granting respond-only access, not editing rights, so your form content stays protected. Next, copy the link to your form. You'll paste this into Canva in just a moment. If your platform offers a short link, that's fine, but any working link will do. Now switch to your Canva website design. Pick the page or section where your form should live. Add a text box or a shape that will act as your form area or button. Rename it to something clear like Contact Us or send a message so visitors instantly know what it does. Clarity here improves usability and helps guide people to reach out. With the element selected, apply your link. In Canva's toolbar, choose the link option, paste the Google form or JotForm URL, and set the link's display to embed. This tells Canva to show the live form right on your page instead of sending visitors to a separate tab. An embedded form keeps people on your site and makes the experience feel seamless. Finally, resize the embedded area so it fits your layout nicely. Drag the corners to give the form enough space to breathe, avoid cramped edges, and maintain readable spacing. Aim for a width that's easy to scan and a height that reduces unnecessary scrolling. Keeping the embedded area tidy helps the form look professional and boosts completion rates. That's it. Thanks for watching.